is he arresting me? No, she did not. She stood on the road and took a picture of your tag. What are you talking about?
On December 2nd, 2025, in Florida, a gas station candy dispute ended with a pregnant woman arrested for trespassing and resisting arrest, and a constitutional question the body cam footage may not fully resolve.
I think it's the gas station. Oh.
Thank you. Please let me run the cameras back, please. We came into the store with the candy that she got in her hand. The kids had the candy in their hand. All the kids. All the kids.
Everybody get quiet, so let's go outside to talk, okay?
You gonna make them apologize for what you saying?
Sure.
We came to the store. Our kids had when we came in.
I can't understand any of you guys.
We came into the store with our kids, okay? Our kids had this when we came into the store. He said our kids stood right here, opened the candy, and ate it.
Okay.
They're big before, but they came in with that.
Okay. It's not that big of a deal. We'll
To him, it is, because he tried to call the police when he don't even have the candy in here.
I believe you.
But he needs to apologize to our kids, trying to say that they stole the candy and that they opened it and that they ate it.
Okay, all right.
And we spent cash. And then he tell us that because we didn't have EBT, we supposed to leave. We got cash.
We'll get it figured out. Okay? It's not that big of a deal. It's just blow pop. All right.
We will not pull the camera.
All right.
Listen. Here's what's going to happen, right? We're all going to go outside together.
Yeah.
And we're going to have a conversation about everything that happened.
That's it. We'll get it squared away.
Stop touching.
Back and forth. He's going to check this guy out. This guy's waiting to leave.
Stop.
We're not going to hold him in. I do.
We told him to go next door. We cared too.
They told you to leave.
We didn't
You
care.
want them to leave the store?
We'll talk to you guys outside.
If they don't leave the store?
I don't care.
If they don't leave the store,
We'll talk to you
I'm going to arrest you all.
outside. We'll talk to you. I want to
If you
go
don't leave the store, I'm going to arrest you for trespass.
That's why we like talking to women, do stuff.
For real. Like y'all do. I don't give a store. I just want you out of the store. And we can handle everything outside like adults, and then we can figure everything out instead of yelling and screaming. I know, and then we're going to get through everything. I just need him to be able to check that. That guy needs to be able to leave. You know what I mean? Hey, relax now.
No, you relax. We was
relax.
Because evidently you don't get what the we coming from. For real, you relax. You relax.
That has nothing to do with anything.
You got irritated. You relax.
I don't doubt that. Listen, I don't doubt that.
We got money in our
I'm going to take you to jail for disorderly conduct in about 30 seconds. You're yelling and cussing, so you're going to hush. I'm explaining.
It don't
You're going to
matter.
go
She's
to jail.
pregnant and you walking up on her.
You're going to go to jail. Now, here's the deal. I want to know everything that happened.
I feel threatened.
I'll relax. I want to know everything that happened here.
Okay, but you gotta show respect.
I want to know everything that happened, but I'm not going to yell and scream in the store.
That's fine, but don't walk up on us.
So start at the
If we walk up on y'all, then
beginning.
y'all would feel threatened.
Start at
So
the
don't walk up
beginning
on me.
and tell me what
We walked
happened.
into the store.
Okay.
The children already had the candy in their hand. Okay.
From out here?
Yes.
Okay.
There's a store over there.
Okay,
The children
good.
already had the candy in their hand.
Okay.
We proceeded to pay for our stuff. He wanted to wait until we leave out the store and say, "Oh, the children with the candy." So we like, what candy? They already paid for that. That candy, yes.
Okay.
They already had the candy.
Right.
He said the kids opened the candy and ate it in the aisle. How?
But it came from that
But
store.
it came from the store over there. He's like, oh,
I'm going to walk over there.
I can run it back on the camera.
I'm going to walk over there and just check and make sure that they bought it there, and then I'll be right back.
You
get what I'm saying? And that's why I'm trying to tell everybody to bring it down.
Huh?
I'm going to go over here.
You're not saying that I'm yelling.
I'm going to go
so
over
you can hear
here.
me, right?
I definitely can hear you.
Okay.
I'm going to go over here, and I'm going to see if that you guys bought that candy from there.
I didn't buy it from there. I think
No,
my
that's
friend
fine.
here had it.
That's fine. There's a bunch of kids here, so I'm going to walk over there, and then I'll come back. Okay?
Who can tell you Z?
That's what I just told her I'm going to go do.
Go ask Z. Z know my
Jeez.
kids.
Good Lord.
You work in the barbershop?
Hey, I'm going to go to the store here, and I'll be back.
What's up? You mind if I come around? Did anybody talk to you yet, boss? Just a little hard to talk between the screen.
Man, that's
Did anybody talk to you yet?
not yet.
Okay, what's going on?
Okay, they came in like 3-4 kids, like little kids also. I tell them I don't have EBT. So don't mess in my product of that if you don't buy with EBT. the kids playing so many on the candy. They put it, and one lady, they buy with the cash something. They give it back. And other kids, everybody has like 2-3 toy candy on hand.
Toy candy, yeah.
Try to walk out on the door. And I just stop them. Hey, my friend, this is put it back. This is mine. They don't pay this one. Why I'm telling that? That's the problem. They're scared after that happened.
Okay.
And then see that how messy? They throw everything on the counter from there.
That was from out there?
Right, yeah.
All of this?
All of them.
What used to be out there?
Out there, yes.
Is that after you stopped them?
I'll stop them, yeah.
Okay.
Then all through there, it's like they stop my another customer. I was a line like she hearing the house yelling. Any time I talk, any word talk, I can talk it.
That's why I came in here. I can't do that right now. It's too much. They can't talk normally. Okay, so some of the kids put the stuff back.
They did some of them on a hand.
And some still had them.
I had on a hand.
And they were going to walk out, so you stopped them.
Yes.
That made them blow up.
Right.
That's easy.
And then they
All right, here's the deal. Hey, buddy.
threw all that stuff.
Right.
Hey. Yes, sir. Got a question for you.
Go ahead, boss.
There's a couple ladies here, had a bunch of little kids.
Yes, sir.
Did they just buy some candy here from you?
A little boy.
Yeah, one little boy in a white t-shirt.
Yeah, he bought this one. He bought a bubble gum. The little boy bought a bubble gum and he bought this candy.
Perfect. Thank you. How many of those were bought? Do you know?
One.
One of those was bought, and then a bubble gum, and then there was some other little kids with them too.
No.
Okay, so it was just that one.
Just that
Perfect.
one.
Thank you.
Yes, sir.
Unlike other people, this is our neighborhood. So did we steal?
All right. So he said that they bought one of the bubble things
No, we
and
bought
bubble gum.
two.
So I just asked.
We bought
So
two.
I'm just going to double check and make sure his camera doesn't show something different. And then we're going to move forward with here and we'll get everybody out of here.
You're gonna apologize.
Okay.
That's all we want.
Well, I can't make him apologize to you. So, like,
Another day. Trespass. Take us to jail. We don't care. To jail. We don't care.
okay, well, that's easy. All right, here's the deal. Hey, buddy, where you at? All right.
So like if you don't take anything, it's fine.
The neighbor over here
Yeah.
sold him candy.
Yeah. No, that's fine. They buy from there. Doesn't matter to me.
Okay.
So I had the candy there to so many. They're playing with that and try to walk with the some candy of that too. And I stop it. Okay, please mine on, put it back.
Okay.
Other whatever is yours, you take it. You buy two candy, take the two candy. Why I'm telling that that's the happened.
Okay.
After that, the reason for not a candy because one lady, she was my neighbor the next time on that plaza. She tried to fight with my wife on
Yeah.
kids. One night I called for them and I leave this place because I can leave this environment the last year.
Yeah.
She doesn't come my store like openly like. She
Yeah.
came in today with this situation making it crowded. That's the happened. There's nothing wrong with the candy because it's very simple. If he doesn't take it, that's fine. I just tell them, okay, this is your, go ahead, it's fine. That's why I say that took mine as a bet.
Gotcha.
That is the point.
Okay, so you just want to leave. That's it.
No, I want to trespass too. I need a paper too.
And they
Okay.
And you see
decided to throw all of that
all
stuff.
of the from the counter and
They
even
threw it
I-
all there. Okay.
Yes.
Yeah.
You want them trespassed, the adults trespassed, the two women, or the three women,
Three
and that's it.
women's and all kids. I don't like
Okay.
to let them come in my store.
Okay.
Yes.
Very easy.
Because they came in next time, they make it again happen this situation.
Sure.
So that's not,
anything because you stopped.
yeah.
Sure. All right. All right. He just wants trespasses.
That's
For everybody to be
and we
done.
just want apology. We want apology, though, but I don't come over here.
He needs to apologize.
I don't come over here. So we're gonna trespass because he accused us of stealing.
And we didn't even steal.
We
It's
don't give
the
a. We don't
disturbance
need to
and the
serve him.
candy and all that stuff.
We was walking
didn't
out
go
the door.
here.
Listen,
We were
here's the
already
deal.
out the door.
Are you going to give me your names for a trespass warning? Okay, then you need to leave the property now.
We went over
Listen,
there with him. and
he
we
wants
stayed
you
on the counter.
trespassed. Are you
One
going to
by
give me
one.
your name for the trespass warning or no? Then if you don't vacate the property, you're going to go to jail.
Let's go.
It's supposed to serve and protect, right?
If you don't leave the property, I appreciate your opinion. You're about to go to jail. You need to walk. That's fine. I'll be a bad corporal. All right, I'll suck today. I suck.
Oh, I think they left because I can't hear them anymore. So. Oh. Oh, Lord, this is the first thing I came to. I'm not in the mood yet.
I don't know how is the range people like that.
Yeah, me neither. I should have had a ghost before I came here.
Watch what Dotson does. He's going to arrest it.
Oh, perfect. Perfect.
Stop. Come here.
Why you arresting her? Why is he arresting me?
No, I only got your information. I didn't trespass. So why is he arresting pregnant? So don't he suck.
We'll get it stopped.
You suck. You suck. Stop.
Okay, we
Stop. Stop.
We know.
She is pregnant. She is pregnant. Keith, chill. All I did was take a picture to get his information.
Okay.
You were told to trespass after warning.
I wasn't on the property.
Walk right
I
now.
wasn't on the property. She didn't even get
All
on the
right,
property.
come
She
on,
took a picture of your
that's
tag.
Come on. Stop. You're going to get more.
You just came up here with the energy to arrest. She didn't even get on the property. She went over there and sat in the road. No, she did not. She stood on the road and took a picture of your tag. What are you talking about?
North Greenwood sub.
No, she was
There you go.
not.
North Greenwood sub.
That's crazy.
Can you look at the body cam now?
The trespass charge is governed by Florida Statute 810.08. 3 elements are required: a warning, the subject's awareness, and a refusal to comply after it. The warning was given inside the store. The legal dispute is entirely about what came after, specifically, where the subject was standing when officers made physical contact. A bystander states directly on camera that the arrested woman was on the public roadway, photographing the officer's license plate, not on store property. If accurate, the trespass predicate fails. You cannot trespass on a public road. No warning issued on private property extends to a public street. Under the First Amendment, recording police from a public space is a clearly established constitutional right. Confirmed in Glick v. Cuniff, 655 F. 3rd 78. Photographing a police vehicle's license plate from a public roadway is protected activity. It cannot legally form the basis of a trespass arrest. Florida Statute 843.02 makes resisting or obstructing an officer in the lawful execution of a legal duty a misdemeanor. If the predicate trespass arrest is unlawful because the subject was on a public road, the resisting charge collapses with it. Both charges are legally dependent on the same unresolved location question. The Fourth Amendment requires probable cause for any warrantless arrest, per Peyton v. New York, 445 U.S. 573. If the officer could not confirm the subject's location on private property at the moment of contact, the probable cause basis for the trespass arrest is legally vulnerable to a suppression challenge at trial. The pregnancy disclosure triggers the force analysis under Graham v. Connor, 490 U.S. 386. Objective reasonableness requires accounting for known physical vulnerabilities at the moment force is applied. A disclosed pregnancy is a known vulnerability, and officers who proceed with physical force after disclosure carry heightened civil liability under 42 U.S.C. Section 1983. The corporal receives a B. Sustained de-escalation, investigation before enforcement, and correct withholding of theft and disorderly conduct charges are documented positives. The deductions reflect the contested arrest location, the absence of visible pregnancy accommodation during the physical arrest, and on-camera remarks that create unnecessary civil litigation exposure. The arrested subject receives a C. Her candy claim was partially verified, and the companion's statement about her arrest location provides a viable constitutional defense. The deduction reflects sustained refusal to vacate after multiple clear exit orders. Compliance with the first exit order would have ended this encounter without any criminal charge. The store owner receives a C+. Requesting a trespass warning is within his legal rights as a property owner. The deduction reflects his EBT comment, which is the most legally sensitive statement in this footage, and the pre-existing personal conflict that defense counsel will use to challenge the legitimacy of the candy accusation. Every decision made here contributed to the outcome. The legal questions this footage raises apply in any situation where a retail dispute crosses into a criminal charge. Here are 5 lessons worth understanding before you find yourself in a position like this one. First, under Florida Statute 810.08, complying with a trespass exit order eliminates the charge. Refusing creates the criminal predicate that makes your arrest lawful. The moment you decline a clear exit order on private property, you have given officers every element they need to arrest you legally. Second, photographing a police vehicle from a public roadway is constitutionally protected under the First Amendment. If you are outside the property boundary when officers make contact, the trespass charge has no legal foundation. Your exact location at the moment of arrest is not a procedural detail. It is the entire legal case. Third, resisting arrest under Florida Statute 843.02 depends entirely on whether the predicate arrest is lawful. An unlawful predicate produces an unlawful resisting charge. The location question here determines the validity of both charges simultaneously. It is the threshold question that controls everything else in this case. Fourth, if you are pregnant and being physically detained, say so on camera. It does not prevent arrest, but it creates a documented record that affects the force analysis under Graham v. Connor, and it is material evidence in any civil rights claim under Section 1983. Silence about a known vulnerability forfeits a legal argument. Fifth, how you speak to customers inside your store is part of the legal record of any dispute that follows. Language that conditions access to merchandise on payment method, when that correlates with protected class status, can generate civil rights exposure that a candy accusation alone would never have produced. The outcome of both charges depends on whether the body cam shows the arrested woman on private property or the public roadway at the moment of arrest. If the footage is clear, the legal analysis follows directly. If ambiguous, both charges face serious challenges, and the civil exposure from the pregnancy disclosure becomes the dominant issue. If this breakdown helped clarify what the law requires here, subscribe to our channel for more legal analysis of police body camera footage. We cover the constitutional framework, the statutes, and the decisions that determine outcomes. Leave your questions in the comments, and we will see you next time.